Konnichiwa, humans. You know what's awesome? Fresh breath. You know what sucks? Not fresh breath. Especially when it comes to Tinder dates, kissing babies, running for president, casually running into your ex at a party even though you knew he was gonna be there with his new girlfriend, Kelsey. So basically, all the time. Brushee is like the Swiss Army knife of your pearly whites, armed with a pick, floss, and toothpaste already in the bristles to brush. No water needed and perfect for on the go, saving your breath and your time. Let me show you. Hold it right there, partner.
Who are you?
Brushee. Duh. Were you about to put those Invisalign trays back in before you Brushee?
Well, I mean, yeah.
But Dave, you wouldn't go to the beach before applying sunscreen. Or invest in that Nigerian prince before checking if he's legit.
Zero funds?
And you wouldn't not put your pants on before being in a commercial. So why would you put your trays back in before brushing? Get Brushee. Just brush, pick, and floss. Now you can get back to straightening those munchers, my little sashimi.
Wow! Thanks, Brushee!
Coffee breath, huh? How did you get in here? That's what we in the biz like to call stankachina breath. Not to be confused with this just nacho day breath. Or please don't come near me ever again breath.
Okay, that was like one time.
That's why there's Brushee. For the modern, on-the-go professional. Just brush, pick, and floss. Now, you're fresh to impress. Now get in there and rock that 2 o'clock client, May.
Now that you're getting older, Ian, things are changing for you. You're gonna be hanging out with girls more often, and well, when you go on a date, I wanna make sure that you always have one of these with you.
Brushee. Just brush, pick, and floss. Now you're ready for that awkward first kiss. Or not.
I'm glad we had this talk, Mom. And Brushee?
Me too, because your braces are expensive.
Thanks,
Brushee.
All in a day's work.
Oh, let me show you how to use it.
See? Told ya. So for better breath and for the sake of public well-being, keep a Brushee on you in your backpack, tote, purse, wallet, briefcase, suitcase, trench coat, or whatever weird human thing you have. Brushee, be your best self.